Chubby little dude. See? There's stuff for you to eat in here. You cannot eat the donkey food. That's all there is to it. Pecking order stands. Otherwise, Alex is going to chase you out of here again. There you go. See? Those palm trees are good. Those are yummy. I'll show you what's even better. This is even better. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Yeah, taste the leaves. Here. There you go. Yeah, those are even better. You're a good boy. Come on. Here. There you go. Yeah. See? Oh, you're hungry. But you can fend for yourself. There's plenty here for you to eat, for little piggies to eat. There's guavas, mango. What happened to your tribe? Well, you just keep marking places. That's gonna change. That's pretty disgusting. Yeah. If you're gonna stick around, dude, you have to stop that crap. Big old balls there, dude. Interesting. How friendly you are. Obviously they didn't hurt you yesterday, getting kicked in the head. My goodness, I heard that. You got kicked right on the snout. That had to hurt. Oh, you look like my prissy. No. I don't have anything for you. It's okay. You just stay away. Keep your distance. Good boy. Like that. You like having your ears scratched? Oh, honey. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. The problem is, how are we going to keep you safe and how are we going to teach you manners? How's that going to happen? Okay, teach you manners and keep you safe. You like your snout rubbed? Oh, you're so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, this is a wild boar. He's been with us for about a week. He's been here. He just kind of showed up. Bubba. This is Bubba. But Bubba needs to learn his manners and he needs to learn his pecking order because the horses won't let him dominate. He wants to dominate the donkeys and they're a little nervous of him. But Alex and Munchkin will keep him in control. I just don't want them to hurt you. But I want you to know the difference between them and other dogs. You ran from them, which is good. But with other dogs, you need to learn to be aggressive. You totally look like Chrissy. Male version of Chrissy. Look at that long coat. Look at that long coat. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Does that feel good? Does that feel good, huh? Does that feel good? Oh, you went your belly scratch. Look at that. Oh. Oh, look at him. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. You're too cute. Oh. Look at that. He wants his belly scratched. Look at his face. Bubba, you like that? Oh, my goodness. You're going to lay down? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at you. Oh, oh my goodness. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, honey. You just want to be loved. Oh, you just want to be loved. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at you. Okay. Oh, that's alright. That was a chicken. That was a chicken. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so cute. What a good boy. Is your eye okay? Huh? Your eye okay? Yeah, you got kicked. You got kicked. Oh my gosh. You had to be somebody's pet. You had to be somebody's pet. That's what I think. Somebody's known you since you were a baby. A better looking ha'ula. That would be good if you have a mommy and daddy that really love you and miss you, not that go want to eat you. That would be good. Or you could stay here, but you have to learn your pecking order. That would be better. Because you're awfully cute. You also have to learn to protect yourself.